You didn't go to the ER right after the crash. Did you kill your case by not doing so? We often see this in car accident cases where our clients call us and tell us that they haven't gone to the emergency room yet. They tell us that immediately after the accident, they felt a little bit sore, but they didn't feel like they had any life-threatening injuries where they felt they needed to go by ambulance to the emergency room. And does this kill your case? The short answer is no, but it does have an effect. It's just a logical effect. We go on a spectrum of minor accidents that don't need emergency room care to traumatic accidents where we have a helicopter performing life flight to the trauma center. When an insurance adjuster looks at your case, they're going to look at how the accident happened, the damages involved in the accident, the damages involved to each car, and whether you sought immediate medical attention. So does it ruin your case? No, but it does affect the value of your case. Now here's what we can add as your lawyer. When you call us, we will assess what your injuries are based upon what you're telling us your symptoms are. We will give you advice on what doctors to go to. That advice might be you should still go to the emergency room. It might be you should go to an urgent care, or it might be that you can follow up with an orthopedic doctor or a chiropractor or a physical therapist after the accident. It all depends on the severity of your symptoms. We want to make sure that you are getting the proper medical treatment, and we can provide that advice not only where to go, but we also can provide advice on what specific doctors actually have the specialty to treat our clients who've been involved in these types of injuries. So does it affect or does it kill the value of your case? No, but it does have an effect. So if you are on the fence and you haven't spoken to a lawyer yet and you think you might need to go to an emergency room, I would suggest by all means do so. And if you don't want to go to the emergency room and take one step down, go to an urgent care that's convenient for you. And then at the very end of that, go ahead and call us. We're happy to give you more help on what you should do immediately after the accident and within the day or two or three after the accident. And those things that you're doing within those few days after the accident can make or break the value of your case. If you have any more questions, give us a call at Hancock Injury Attorneys. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have.